Well, it's been run for 3 years. This is the tractor I had on the ranch. Old tractors don't die, they're born again. This is the John Deere 2020 that you've seen on this channel. I was grinding feed with a grinder mixer and then loading into the feeders with it. My dad bought it about 1970. It's a 68 model. I learned to drive wheel tractor on this tractor, and it's been beat up pretty bad, mainly working in the rock fields. We developed 150 acres clearing the rocks. We would lift almost 1,000-pound rocks in this thing and load them onto a truck. We've used this tractor all these years. We had to put a different front end under it. Yeah, it's an old wreck, folks, but you know what? It's about to get new life. It's going to get all redone. The motor and transmission are really good in this tractor still. And we got to get a new side for the battery case, but need to get a new seat on it. Dad and I put a new tire on it probably 20 years ago before he passed away.